Okay, so Palantir is fighting, guys. It's fighting. It's currently about 2 p.m. on the East Coast, and we have Palantir up 2.7% as all the indexes are in the red, which earlier today, guys, they were all in the green. But the tables or the tides are turning. Tables are turning, tides are turning. Either way, indexes are down. Palantir is moving up, and we broke over $71 earlier today. So you guys know the drill. We're going to do an update on the charts, my thoughts, what I'm looking to do. But first, get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. And listen to this, guys. Deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, totaling 30 free stocks, and your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So, guys, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Get your 30 stocks while the deal lasts. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get into it. So, at this point, like I said, guys, every index is down, but Palantir is up 2.5% right now. And earlier, guys, it was up even more. When we hit 71.40 earlier in the day, we were up almost 5%. Unbelievable, guys. And you can see we broke out right out of open. We opened up at about $69, got all the way to 71.40. And since that point, we hit that level at about 11:30 noon on the East Coast. We've since pulled down. Now we're at about 69.90, and who knows, maybe when you're watching this video, let me know in the comments, maybe Palantir rallied into close. That's kind of what I'm waiting for. I'm watching out to see, okay, will buyers come in around 69.50, $70 and push it higher, or will we flush through that level, which 69.50, that was resistance all pre-market and right at open, and then we broke out of it. So in my eyes, I'm looking at this intraday chart. I'm like, okay, it'd be ideal if the bulls held this level, right? You guys see old resistance from the pre-market. It would be ideal if we held this as support and bounced into close. And of course, if you're watching this, you are watching this right now. Hey, how's it going? Right? The markets are closed and you'll know exactly what happened. But right now we are selling down, it looks like, to 69.50. So let's see if we get the bounce from that level. But either way, guys, even if we don't, let's say we close here at 69.50, whatever, it would still be a win for the bulls. And the 5-day, 5-minute chart looks great either way, right? It looks like we're reversing finally. We have a golden cross. We're above the 180 SMA here, holding an uptrend, right? So this spot, 69.30 to 50-ish, this range, based on the chart, based on the uptrend, this trend line, this is where buyers should, keyword is should, come in, right? This could be an interesting buy the dip opportunity in the very short term, which is kind of why I'm waiting to see if buyers actually buy the dip and we get that rally into close. That's what I'm waiting for, right? And on the 30-minute chart, we have a golden cross as well. We have a bit of inverse head and shoulders action. Do you guys see this right here? We have the left shoulder. We got the head right here, boom. Right shoulder, you guys see that? Pretty clear as day. So PLTR is reversing on the 30-minute as well. And on the 1-hour chart, you guys can see we're finally peaking above both moving averages for the first time, I would say probably in about 2 weeks. Yeah, roughly 2 weeks, guys. So this thing is reversing slowly, not fully breaking out yet. I mean, look, we're still in this channel I just drew out, the downtrend here. We're still technically within it, but we're getting all the initial signs of a full-on breakout. And I mean, if I clear the drawing set and get the channel tool back out, and let's say we draw it out, boom, there we go. I mean, yes, we're in this, but if we take out, 70 to $72 again, that's the breakout spot. And that's where I think PLTR will really start to take off. And if I pull up this 4-hour chart, notice where we're at on this time frame, guys. Let me get this channel or this trend line out, the tool. Look, we're now at a massive resistance. This spot, $69, $70, $71. If you guys don't remember, I'll let you know right now, earlier in December, that's where we held as support. The stock held support at about $70, $71 from the 5th of December all throughout the 7th of this month. The 7th of this month, guys. So we broke through that level of support, then making it resistance, and now we're back at it. We're testing it right now. So ideally, guys, we have to break 70, 71. The bulls got to get out of there, and if that happens, we could be trading in this channel just like that. Just like that. We'll be back in this window right here. Maybe we start making our move back to 80, towards $80 per share at that point. So I'm going to set my alert now, guys, at $70, maybe $71. We'll put it a little bit above 70. Mark is at or above, and we'll see what it ends up doing. So let's break down some other stocks here, guys. And by the way, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe here on YouTube. We're almost at 50,000 subs, guys. And join the email list. It's free. I'm sending out my top 3 stocks every Monday right to your email. That is linked down below in the description box, also pinned in the comment section. So alert is locked and loaded at $71 per share. Let's see what happens there on PLTR, guys. And let me run through the indexes, maybe some other stocks here quickly. So SPY right now is down about 0.25%. Looks like we are getting rejected at the 180 SMA on the 4-hour chart here. Looks like we are putting in a slight lower high right now, although we could easily still break out of this, whether it's tomorrow, whether it's next week. But as of now, we are seeing, slight resistance at this point right here, which, we covered it before on the channel. And QQQ is seeing the same thing, right? Resistance at about 518, 520. We're getting hit there. Now we're at 513, but we could still break out. It could happen still, guys, tomorrow, next week. And of course, we'll monitor all the indexes here on the channel. Let me see. The Russell's down about 0.1%. Dow's down about 0.25 as well. Same with the S&P. The NASDAQ 100 is actually leading the losses, down 0.6% today. But you guys can see the Russell's getting rejected at both moving averages. Again, right now, that level needs to break. It's a multi-week resistance. And the Dow needs to get out of there as well. We're kind of breaking out, but not fully. I mean, we have to get back over 43.5, 44 in my eyes for a full-on breakout on the Dow Jones. And in terms of other stocks here, guys, that are moving, we have Applied Materials up around 6% on the day, trading at a multi-week high right now. And guys, we're taking out the highs from the early days of December, early days of November. We're testing those highs, it looks like now. So AMAT could be a nice momentum play, maybe a runner here if it takes out, let's say, 190 to 195. I'll set my alert now at $195 per share. Looks like Rivian's getting pushed up again today, up around 4%. Rivian looks like buyers are trying to push this thing higher. We're bouncing off the 180 SMA. Looks like we're breaking over the 50 SMA here on the 4-hour chart. That's a pretty good sign overall for Rivian. So, guys, maybe a mid-$15 to $16 move could be coming, potentially on RIVN here. And last but not least for this video, we'll wrap it up after this, guys, DraftKings, which we've covered before on the channel. 3.4% Green Day. It looks like it's bouncing off the bottom of this uptrending channel. And what do we have here, guys? This is an inverse head and shoulders. Do you guys see it right here? Inverse head and shoulders starting to break out. DKNG could have a lot more upside. So let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks. I mean, come on. This is a no-brainer, guys. And to make it even better, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So if you guys want to take advantage of the deal while it lasts, use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.